This is the app demonstration for Team 1 Agile Workers, and our app is called Maverick&Skills. So this is our application. First comes up the splash screen with all the team information. The next comes up is the registration page. First, we'll go to the validations. So if we put in empty text boxes, it shows email is required. Then also shows the password is required. The next is the at mavs.ut.edu. So if we put in any other extension, it will give us an error. Okay, so now I'll press the registration button. It sends us a confirmation message, which displays the email information. I'll click yes. It gives us a toast message, and it also says to verify our email. So this is the verification link that I've received on my email account. The next is I'll try to log in without verifying the email. So it should give us an error message. So it says, please verify your email. Now I'll click on the email verification link. It says that my email has been verified. Now I'll try to log in again. And it says login successful. After that comes the settings page where we need to create a new profile. So this is my new account, so I'll create a new profile. Then I'll add some skill tags based on which we can search user profiles. I'll click the submit button, and it says that profile created successfully. Now we can view our created profile over here. So it says it displays all the information which I've entered. Next is the update profile. So this is my information which I've entered. So if I need to add any other skill tag, such as basketball, and change my contact information, I'll submit. Go to profiles, and it displays my updated profile. The phone number is changed and basketball is added. The next is the about us page. It displays the team information and the project description. Okay, so the next tab is the events tab. In the events tab, I can view the events created by other users of the application. So I can just look at what events are coming up next, on which date and on which timing. So for example, if I click on the first event, web development help needed, it displays the event information, and I can click on join event, and it says that event has been joined. I can also chat with other users. I can just click on open chat. It opens up a chat room, and it displays all the messages which have been sent on this event by other users. So I can just send a message, and it displays my message over here. It also saves the messages, so if I click open chat again, I can view all the previous messages and the message which I've sent. So the next is I can create a new event. I'll just type in rugby tournament. I'll save it, and my event should be displayed over here. This is my event, rugby tournament. Date is 5:15 and at 5 p.m. So I can click on the event and join the event. I can open the chat. So this is a new chat box for the new event. It doesn't have any messages. I'll just send a message. And the message is saved. Now is the profiles tab. I'll click on the profiles tab. I can view my profile and I can view all users. So these are the profiles created by other users. I can just look through the profile, contact a person based upon the skill tag. So if I'm interested in looking at soccer profiles, I can just type in soccer and it gives me 3 results over here. These are the queries which is matching with the queries which we have searched. So next I can type in Dora 2 and it shows my profile. These are the sample profiles which we have created before with the same name. Okay, so the next section is logout. So when I click on logout, it says successfully logged out and it brings me back to the login page. So if I type in an incorrect password, anything, it displays the password is incorrect or invalid message. So then I can click on forgot password and type in my registered email. Click on yes, and it says that reset link has been sent to my email. So I've received an email for reset password. I can click on that email link and change my password. So my new password is 123456789. Save it. I've entered the changed password and try to log in, and it says login successful, and it's the same profile. I'll just log out. Now I can log in from another email and just check for various events and chats. Click on login. It says login successful, and this is the profile which I'm directly logged in through. You can look through other profiles. We can click on the event which I created in the previous profile, this one, and I can join the event. I can click open chat and displays the same message which I've sent from the previous profile. Now I can delete this account. It displays a confirmation message. Make sure to delete your account. I'll click delete. It says account is successful. I'll try to log into the same account. So then I'll type in the same email which I have deleted account from. type in the password, try to log in. It says there is no user. So this is our entire application, and thank you for watching.